Hi, Ranger enthusiast. Got a 2018 Ford Ranger? Then you know it's a beast of a machine, built for tough jobs and exciting adventures. But even the toughest need regular TLC to stay in peak condition. Today we are diving into what a major service involves for your Ranger and why is it crucial and what happens if you skip it. Let's get started. First up is buying your service kit. Oil filter, air filter, pollen filter, diesel filter. And then first up, the diesel filter. The unsung hero prevent harmful contaminant from reaching your engine-sensitive fuel injector system. Over time, it gets clogged with dirt and debris, impacting the performance and potential causing serious damage. During a major service, we replace this filter with a brand new one. The benefits are clear: improved fuel efficiency, smooth engine operation, and protection against costly injector failure. So next, we tackle the engine oil and filter. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your Ford Ranger, lubricating moving parts and dissipating heat. Over time, it breaks down and becomes less effective. That's why we drain the old oil completely from the sump and replace it with fresh and high-quality oil that meets Ford Ranger specifics. We also install a new oil filter to trap any harmful particles. This ensures optimal lubrication, reduce friction and wear, and helps keep your engine running cool and long. So afterwards, you identify your oil filter is to easy access it by your left-hand tire. Then you access it, you take it out, you put a new one, done deal. And don't forget to put the seal there. Fast, done and dusted. And then we are done. Here's a new one. So this one, you will feel like you are a hero when you are doing this one. Done and dusted and fun. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the share button. Don't forget the air filter. Just like you need air to breathe, your engine needs clear air for effective combustion. And a dirty air filter restricts airflow, leading to reduced engine power and lower fuel economy. Replacing it with a clean filter allows your engine to breathe properly, restoring performance and improving fuel efficiency. It's a simple but vital step. Done and dusted. Finally, you pour your oil. This Ford Ranger takes 9 liters of oil. So you change there. From Ford, we bought it there. Done and dusted. So my mentor advised me that when you are pouring, don't pour it straight. Make your 5 liter there to be, is it horizontal? Horizontal or vertical? Hey, Shilungu Nashon. Hey. But yeah, it's simpler like this, the way it is there. You pour it nice, then you use your 9 liters. Ford Ranger takes 9 liters of oil. Finally, after completing this essential replacement, we use a diagnostic machine like a launch machine to reset your vehicle service indicator. Done and dusted. So why is all of this important? Increased longevity, optimal performance, improved fuel efficiency, early problem detector, maintained resale value. You get it. These are the disadvantages: engine damage, reduced performance, poor fuel economy, costly repairs, voiding warranty. So, by this, please, I encourage you to continue doing your maintenance. Don't wait until it's too late. Keep your Ford Ranger 2018 model running at its best with a regular major service. Contact us or contact your trusted mechanic today to schedule your appointment. Drive safe and enjoy the power of a Ranger. I love you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe and follow us. Tebu Car Clinic, Tebu Car Care, Tebu all the way. We love you. Bye-bye.